Dakota Energy Systems' patented new zero-carbon technology harvests energy from municipal and private water systems. Most private and public water districts maintain multiple pressure-reducing stations throughout their domestic potable water system to deliver household and agricultural water at a safe and reasonable pressure. These pressure-reducing valves, or PRVs, reduce the water pressure by absorbing the water flow enough to reduce its pressure to usable pounds per square inch, or PSI. Likewise, the Dakota Energy System's hydroelectric power system reduces the water to the pressure required while harvesting residual energy as electricity by flowing water through a turbine generator. Our system can work in conjunction with pressure-reducing valves. Its modular design can fit any size PRV. The smallest unit harvests 9 kilowatts per hour with a minimum 50 psi pressure drop and minimum 500 gallons per minute flow. Dakota Energy Systems can tie multiple units together into one skid to support PRVs as large as necessary and can harvest energy into the megawatt range. Unlike solar and wind, the hydroelectric power system continuously harvests electricity, sun up or down, wind or no wind, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Water districts locate PRVs throughout their service area. This creates an opportunity for a safe, distributed power source that can either go directly into a facility's electrical panel or into the electrical grid without the construction of new power infrastructure, major transmission lines, or large swaths of land. In beautiful southern Orange County, California, Dakota Energy Systems has installed an 18 kilowatt per hour system to offset its electrical costs. This project will tie directly into San Diego Gas and Electric's grid due to the convenient location of transmission lines to the generator. Both 9 kilowatt units are conveniently tied into the main water system by circumventing the existing PRV, so there is no risk to the main water line. This system has full SCADA for remote access of monitoring as well as controls. If there's a disruption in water flow, our units can be shut down remotely, and the water would immediately go directly back through the existing pressure-reducing valve with no disruption to water service. Thank you to our partners, Pacific Advanced Civil Engineering, Siemens, and San Diego Gas and Electric for assisting Dakota Energy Systems in taking the first step to introducing the third leg of alternative energy to the world. Choose Dakota Energy Systems for your clean, zero-carbon renewable energy. Dakota Energy Systems.